Hello and good day, grade 1 students. So this is me again, your English teacher, Abby, and I really appreciate all of you who are listening and watching today. So today we will learn about two letter sound blending. Okay, so again, two letter eh, okay, sound blending because last time we learned about ah. So now we will learn about eh sound. So what is blending? Okay, so blending it means a combination of a consonant sound and the vowel sound. So before we move to our lesson, so let's start learn first the short vowels and the long vowel sound. So here we have a apple again, a apple. Okay, so for the long vowels we have a. Okay, a ape. Okay, a ape. Okay, so this one here, the ape. And next we have a egg. Okay, and next we have for the long vowels e it e it. Okay, so next we have e. Okay, again e igloo. Again e igloo. Okay, so for the long vowels we have I ice. Again I ice. Okay, so here we have oh. Okay, oh octopus. Again oh octopus. And here we have o o oatmeal. Again o oatmeal. And next we have uh. Okay, okay, umbrella. Okay, umbrella. Again umbrella. So this is here the umbrella. Okay, and next we have for the long vowels u. Okay, u unicorn. Again unicorn. So the unicorn is the horse with the horn. Okay, so that is the unicorn with the horn. Okay, so now let's move to your two letter short vowel sound. So first we have a, d, a, d. Again, a, d, ed, ed. So the rules here, so we have the rules when we do the ending sound. So what is the rules, teacher? Of course, we must to silent the what? The last letter or the middle letter. Okay, so we have a letter we need to silent. So here, if you see d, d. So we read it ed. Okay, so we silent the okay, and the last part. Okay, next we have g. Again, g. Okay, egg. So again, here we silent the last letter. So g, egg. Okay, next we have e, t, t. Okay, again, t, et. Okay, et. Okay, so here we silent the last letter. Okay, so next we have eh, eh, n, eh, n, eh, n. Okay, n. Okay, so here the one we silent is the middle letter. Okay, the O. Okay, so we read this one here, eh, n. Okay, next we have eh, v, eh, v. Again, eh, v, eb, eb, ev. Okay, so this one here we silent the last letter, which is the A. Okay, so eb. And next we have eh, eh, x, eh, x, eh, x. So we have x, x. So here I never show you the real spelling of x, but the x spelling is AKS x. But here I show you the x letter so that it must be easy for you. So x, x. Okay, so again we will review our two short vowel sound. So first we have x. Okay. Next we have eb, eb. Next we have n, n. Next we have et, et. And next we have egg, egg, egg. And next we have ed, ed, ed. Okay, so this is our two letters sound blending class. So I hope you learned something. Thank you so much.